Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you how you can change the name of your Payoneer account. So let's start our video. First, open Payoneer application. Make sure to sign into your account. Then tap on your profile icon. From here, choose profile settings. So guys, here in the profile setting menu, you will find the option name and email. And here you will find the edit option. You need to tap on it, and here you will find your name. So you cannot directly edit your profile name here. All you need to do is to send a request. So you need to tap on request name change. And here the most important part is name change reason. So once you tap on the drop down arrow, there are two reasons mentioned here: legal name change, error during registration. So if you have made an error while creating an account, you can select this reason, but if there is a change in your name in your legal documents, you can just tap this one. Once you select any of those reasons, then tap on submit, and your request will be sent to Payoneer, and then they will allow you to change your name on Payoneer account. So guys, this is how you can change your name on Payoneer. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.